MCQs number 1. Book lungs are present in arthropods for exchange of gases in class. Crustacea, Myriapoda, insects, Arachnida. The correct option is option D, Arachnida. MCQs number 2. Larvae of which group are similar to the chordates? Echinodermata, Arthropoda, Annelida, or Nematoda. The correct option is option A, Echinodermata. MCQs number 3. Instrument which is used to measure relative abilities of different pigments to absorb the different wavelength of light is called spectrometer, barometer, photometer, or spectrophotometer. The correct option is option D, spectrophotometer. MCQs number 4. Types of respiration which involve step-by-step breakdown of carbon chain molecules in cell is called external respiration, pulmonary respiration, cellular respiration, or cutaneous respiration. The correct option is option C, cellular respiration. MCQs number 5. The end product of yeast fermentation, bacteria fermentation, and aerobic respiration are citric acid, lactic acid, carbon dioxide, and water. MCQs number 2. Ethyl alcohol, lactic acid, carbon dioxide, and water. Ethyl alcohol, citric acid, and carbon dioxide. Methanol, lactic acid, and citric acid. The correct option is option B, ethyl alcohol, lactic acid, carbon dioxide, and water. MCQs number 6. In human beings, what is function of amylase in digestion? Digestion of triglycerides, digestion of all types of food, digestions of lipid, digestions of carbohydrate. The correct option is option D, digestion of carbohydrates. MCQs number 7. The term which is employed to loss of appetite due to fear of becoming obese is obesity, dyspepsia, anorexia nervosa, or bulimia nervosa. The correct option is option C, anorexia nervosa. MCQ number 8. Where is the ileocholic sphincter located in our body? Option A, at the junction of esophagus and stomach, at the junction of ileum and large intestine, at the junction of stomach and small intestine, at the junction of small intestine and large intestine. The correct option is option D, at the junction of small intestine and large intestine. MCQ number 9. Which of the following act as a functional unit of lungs in man? Option A, air sac, option B, trachea, option C, larynx, option D, bronchioles. The correct option is option A, air sacs. MCQ number 10. Which one of the following factor is directly proportional to the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin? Carbon dioxide, pH, temperature, light. The correct option is option B, pH. MCQ number 11. Expiration in human being is carried out by contraction of lungs, relaxation of intercostal and diaphragm muscles, contraction of intercostal membrane, contraction of diaphragm muscles. The correct option is option B, relaxation of intercostal and diaphragm muscles. MCQ number 12. Which one of the following is a precursor of steroid hormones? Glycerol, amino acid, sterol, or cholesterol? The correct option is option D, cholesterol. आगे जाने से पहले आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को दबा लें ताकि नेक्स्ट आने वाले वीडियोस आप तक आसानी से पहुंच सके। MCQ नंबर 13. Granulocytes or white blood cells are produced in lymph nodes, tonsils, red bone marrow, or spleen. The correct option is option C, red bone marrow. MCQ number 14. Which one of the following statements best describe the function of sinoatrial node? Option 1. It sends out electrical impulses to atrial muscles causing both atria to contract. Option B. It consists of small number of diffusely oriented cardiac fibers. C. It sends out electrical impulses to ventricular muscles causing both ventricles to contract. It is present at upper end of left atrium. The correct option is option A. MCQ number 15. The flow of lymph in lymphatic vessels is maintained by heart, activity of smooth muscles and valves. B. Activity of skeletal muscles, heart and breathing movements. C. Breathing movements, activity of skeletal muscles and valves. D. Exercise, breathing, movement and heart. The correct option is option C, breathing movement, activity of skeletal muscles and valves. MCQ number 16. Metabolic waste from metabolism of nucleic acid is uric acid, urea, creatine. The correct option is option A, uric acid. The central metabolic station and clearinghouse of body is liver, nephron, kidney or glomerulus. The correct option is option A, liver. MCQ number 18. The muscles that control urine in bladder are known as striated muscles, sphincter muscles, smooth muscles, circular muscles. The correct option is option B, sphincter muscles. MCQ number 19. The living cells of cartilage are called chondrocytes, osteocytes, osteoblasts, osteoclasts. The correct option is option A, chondrocytes. MCQ number 20. The disease which cause immobility and fusion of vertebral joint is osteomalacia, soft bones, arthritis, disc slip or spondylosis. The correct option is option D, spondylosis. MCQ number 21. During muscles contraction, eye bond shorten. Option B, actin filaments shorten. Option C, myosin filament shorten. Option D, Z line disappears. The correct option is option A, eye band shortens. MCQ number 22. The hormones are organic compounds of varying structure complexity. Which are following is not a function or property of these compounds? They initiate new biochemical reactions. They may be proteins. They are poured directly into blood. They affect target cell. The correct option is option A, they initiate new biochemical reaction. MCQ number 23. Reflex is an instinct type of behavior response to which combination? Option A, biological rhythms, territorial courtship and development. B, the responses that do produce some result in different conditions. Option C, aggression, mating and altruism. D, the responses that are predetermined like differentiation. The correct option is option C. MCQs number 24. Are typical neurons at rest is more positive outside than inside, has no charge on either side, is more negative outside than inside, has an equal charge on either side. The correct option is option A, is more positive outside than inside. (25) The first cells produced by repeated cell division of germinal epithelium of testes are interstitial cells, secondary spermatocytes, spermatides, or spermatogonia. The correct option is option D, spermatogonia. MCQs number 26. Which of the following sequence is correct? LH, FSH, estrogen, progesterone. Option B, FSH, estrogen, progesterone, and LH. Option C, FSH, LH, progesterone, estrogen. D, FSH, estrogen, LH, and progesterone. The correct option is option D, FSH, estrogen, LH, and progesterone. MCQ number 27. Which chromosomal abnormality in humans cause aggressive and antisocial behavior? XO, XYY, XXY, XX, and X. The correct option is option B, X, Y, and Y. MCQ number 28. Gray equatorial cytoplasm produced muscle cells, notochord and neural tube, gut, larval epidermis. The correct option is option B, notochord and neural tube. MCQ number 29. Sickle cell anemia is an example of which type of chromosomal defect? Chromosomal rearrangement, chromosomal aberration, transposition of gene, point mutation. Correct option is option D, point mutation. MCQ number 30. The karyotype of an individual is of chromosomes. Number, types, and chemical composition. Types, number, and types of chromosomes. Just number. The correct option is option C, number and types of chromosomes. MCQ number 31. The process of replication of DNA begins at one place only without any specific sequence of DNA, one or more places without any specific sequence of DNA, any place with uncoiling of two strands of DNA, one or more places where there is a specific sequence of nucleotide. The correct option is option D, one or more places where there is a specific sequence of nucleotide present. MCQ number 32. Amino acid attached at which site of RNA? Anticodon site, 3 site with terminal OH, ribosomes recognition site, activation energy recognition site. The correct option is option B, 3 site with terminal OH. MCQ number 33. Microtubules of spindle fibers are composed of a protein called tubulin, myosin, actin, or troponin. The correct option is option A, tubulin. MCQ number 34. The kinetochore fibers contract and spindle or pole fiber elongated during prophase 1, telophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1. The correct option is option D, anaphase 1. MCQ number 35. Cell death due to tissue damage is called necrosis, apoptosis, metastasis, or epistasis? The correct option is option A, necrosis. MCQ number 36. When a disease is transmitted directly from an affected father to his son, it is called X-linked, Y-linked, autosomal, X and Y-linked. The correct option is option B, Y-linked. MCQ number 37. Epistasis is a relationship between allele of an gene, two contrasting state, two different genes at same locus, two different genes at a different loci. The correct option is option D, two different genes at different loci. MCQ number 38. Genes for albinism is represented on chromosomes number 11, 21, 22, 12. Correct option is 11. MCQ number 39. Genes can be synthesized in laboratory from messenger RNA by using restriction enzymes, vector, complementary DNA, reverse transcriptase. The correct option is option D, reverse transcriptase. MCQ number 40. Antibiotic resistant gene for tetracycline and ampicillins are present in plasmid. Option A, PSC101, B, PBR322, PCR101, PBR233. The correct option is option B, PBR322. MCQ number 41. Cloning is a form of sexual reproduction, vegetative propagation, asexual reproduction, genetic recombination. The correct option is option C, asexual reproduction. MCQ number 42. Group of interbreeding individual of particular species sharing common geographical area is called population, community, community ecology, or autoecology. The correct option is option A. It is called population. MCQ number 43. Which of the following protein is common in man and aerobic bacteria? Hemoglobin, cytochrome C, myoglobin, or pyelin. The correct option is option B, cytochrome C. MCQ number 44. Ozone filters ultraviolet radiation from the sun in upper biosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere. Correct option is option C, atmosphere. MCQ number 45. A parasite living inside body of host is called ectoparasite, facultative parasite, obligate parasite, endoparasite. The correct option is option D, endoparasite. MCQ number 46. An association between two organisms benefiting both is called communalism, predation, parasitism, or symbiosis. The correct option is option D, symbiosis. MCQ number 47. In aquatic ecosystem, human activity may accelerate the process of eutrophication, decomposition, photosynthesis, or recycling. The correct option is option A, eutrophication. MCQ number 48. Beriberi is due to metabolic disorder, nutritional deficiency, chemical causes, mental illness. The correct option is option B, nutritional deficiency. MCQ number 49. The natural heat energy trapped underground is geothermal energy, electric energy, thermal energy, or solar energy. The correct option is option A, geothermal energy. MCQ number 50. Which of the following is the lowest level of biological organism with respect to others? Multicellular organism, species, biosphere, or population? The correct option is option B, species. MCQ number 51. When an electron pair is shared between two atoms, two covalent bonds are formed, single covalent bond is formed, hydrogen bond is formed, ionic bond is formed. The correct option is option B, single covalent bond. MCQ number 52. The first microbe to have a genome completely sequenced and was published on July 28, 1995 was Hyphomicrobium, Haemophilus malaria, Haemophilus aquaticus, Haemophilus influenza. The correct option is option D, Haemophilus influenza. MCQ number 53. An activated enzyme consisting of polypeptide and cofactor is known as amylase, holoenzymes, apoenzymes, coenzyme. The correct option is option B, holoenzyme. MCQ number 55. Forms weak linkage with enzymes and their effect can be neutralized completely or partially by an increase in concentration of the substrate. Option 1 is only competitive inhibitors, irreversible inhibitors, reversible inhibitors, or both reversible and irreversible inhibitor. The correct option is option C, reversible inhibitor. MCQ number 55. In prokaryotic cell wall, strengthened material is cellulose, chitin, silica, peptidoglycan. Correct option is option D, peptidoglycan. MCQ number 56. Entire cell wall of bacteria is often regarded a single huge molecule or molecular complex called capsule, slime capsule, secondary wall, or succulus. The correct option is option D. MCQ number 57. Krebs cycle takes place in ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, or endoplasmic reticulum. The correct option is option B, mitochondria. MCQ number 58. Chemically, viruses are made up of nucleic acid only, nucleic acid and protein, protein only, core and coat. Nucleic acid and protein. MCQ number 59. Widespread epidemic disease influenza is caused by DNA viruses, DNA enveloped viruses, RNA enveloped viruses, RNA viruses. Correct option is option C, RNA enveloped virus. MCQ number 60. When the division of cell is 3 planes, the arrangement is known as Diplococcus, Streptococcus, Sarcine, or Staphylococcus. The correct option is option C, Sarcine. MCQ number 61. Bacterial death rate is equal to birth rate in lag phase, death phase, log phase, or stationary phase. The correct option is option D, in stationary phase. MCQ number 62. Trypanosoma is a human parasite causing African sleeping sickness. Option B is Indonesian sleeping sickness. Option C is European sleeping sickness. Option D is American sleeping sickness. The correct option is option A, African sleeping sickness. MCQ number 63. The feeding stage of slime mold is gasterozoid, plasmodium, sporozoid, merozoid. The correct option is option B, plasmodium. '64. Drug obtained from fungus used for lowering blood cholesterol is lovastatin, ergotin, cyclosporine, grisophyllovin. Correct option is option A, lovastatin. MCQ number 65. Fungi store surplus food in form of cellulose, starch, glycogen, both B and C. The correct option is option C, glycogen. MCQ number 66. The ecological role of fungi as decomposers is apparent only by prions, bacteria, algae, viruses. The correct option is option B, bacteria. MCQ number 67. Vascular system absent, gametophyte dominant, sporophyte attached to gametophyte, homosporious are distinguished betractor of Celopoida, Posida, angiosperms, pterospodia or bryophyte. Correct option is option D, bryophyta. MCQ number 68. Which of the following feature differentiate angiosperm from gymnosperms? Pollen dispersed by air, ovaries, haploid macrospore, pollen tube. The correct option is option B, ovaries. MCQ number 69. In Pakistan, furniture wood is mainly obtained from the member of family Rosacea, Mimosia, Solanaceae or Fabaceae. The correct option is option B, Mimosia. MCQ number 70. Which of the following is exclusive character of mammals? Homeothermic, oiklothermic, hair, 4 chamber halt. The correct option is option C, hair.